We are seeing a growth in the heat pump market here locally in Michigan. We're seeing more heat pumps be requested than traditional furnace or air conditioners. When deciding if a heat pump system is right for your customers, you have to take in their specific factors such as what are the utility rates in the area? Are they interested in going all electric? The age of their home, has it been weatherized or not? And based on this information, we come up with recommendations. In this location here, this customer is enjoying a dual fuel system. They have the benefit of having the heat pump operate in milder weather, and then as it gets cooler, the gas furnace kicks in to support the structure and provide heat to keep the occupants comfortable. All of our customers are happy with their heat pump purchases. One, they're saving energy, and two, they're comfortable. My name is Brent Cooksey. I'm the owner and operator of Air Doctors Heating and Cooling. We're a home performance contractor based out of Southeast Michigan.